I hear you talk?
Ready?
Did I hear you talk?
She doesn't have
You good? My arms are above my head.
hold on a second. Wait, Clay, you got one?
Yeah.
One of these?
Any of these like
I guess we'll get that one you want me to do.
I'm like,
All right, guys, one more time. We're gonna start on this side. Elizabeth, you're gonna go first. We're gonna go down the line here, and then since this one will go off last, we're gonna start back over here. Does that sound good?
Who has this one? Red, white.
I got that one. I'm gonna light this one and go back. Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so hey, you're gonna start right after they light theirs. Okay?
Gotcha.
Okay, cool. All right, go for it.
Yes.
Hey, encore.
Yay! Oh, we got more!
And I got the whole thing on video.
Alright, you got a good view of it. Alright.
Holy crap, I want those. What are those called? Those are called
Wow.
cool things, as far as I can tell.
I know. And then I was like,
That's what it did. It's like,
Blows up mailboxes. Nice.
Okay, so when I go to buy one, can I ask like, which ones blow up mailboxes the best?
Just ask for the biggest explosion. I don't know. That's what I did, and I went to something in the back, and they got me these things that were $3. Oh.
hey, Jonathan, can I have that letter back?
What?
It was Christian.
brown flowers.
That's cool. Nope, I'm good.
Justin!
Stand right here.
Whoa!
I realized it's feel like spinning in my
You missed a heck of a show, and I got the whole thing on video here.
Hey, I'll see you later.
Bye, Aaron. Good to meet you. Hey. You guys missed a heck of a show.
We did?
Uh-huh.
I don't have my